especially as we begin our discussion here with Peter Merrill, who's back. Peter, welcome back. It's great to have you here.
Good to be back here.
Now, we are really excited because your book, Innovation Generation, has just been translated into Russian.
Wow.
Which I understand you know how to read.
Just about. I discovered a few years ago when the family went on a vacation to Greece, and they said, well, we want to go to Greece because Dad can't speak the language there. So that winter I decided to learn Greek, and I suddenly discovered that it was possible to read Russian. I have no way of speaking it, but I can slowly decipher it, I guess.
Well, when you read it, are you understanding the words? It's the same alphabet, but is it the same words?
Very often,
yeah,
and it's quite funny when when you're so basic. I remember reading a word, and the first letter was the letter thigh. That's a circle with a line through, thigh, and I read it, and it went supermarkets.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So what they've done, obviously, is they've taken a lot of our language and put it into their alphabet. So we're actually able to read Russian more easily than we realize,
Very interesting.
That's as far as I'd want to go there.
In having your book translated into Russian, does that mean that a lot of your clientele is Russian speaking then?
No, the way it came about was my publisher, which is Quality Press. They're based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. When the book first got published, they were approached by the Russian marketing and publication agency saying, well, we're quite interested in this book and we'd like to buy the rights to it and translate it into Russian. So I was kind of excited about that. I thought, well, that's interesting. At least it's a validation that the book I wrote has got merit. There's obviously somebody out there who thinks it does the job. Well, then I thought about it and I thought, oh, now then, just a minute. Every time I go into the USA, will I get pulled aside for selling secrets to the Russians? I'm not sure. Anyway, last week, the book arrived, and I can tell you, it's a huge thrill. It really is. French, German, okay, but seeing it actually in Russian, wow, great feeling.